I'm gonna plant some lettuce. This is actually lettuce from the store. How I'm gonna plant it is silly.
Alright, so we're going to take this. You watching, buddy? And we're going to squeeze the sides. That helps it come out really easy. And then we're going to dump it out. You want to try it? Squeeze the sides. And then squeeze this side. And then dump it out kind of in your hand. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hold on, the plant's falling apart. Can I see it for a second? Okay, see how my hand's over the hole? Can you put your hand where my hand was to protect the lettuce? Woo! Oh, the whole lettuce came out. Well, I'll put it in there. Get all this good dirt back in there. Do that. And you want to just make sure he's going to stay nice and tall.
I'm done.
Okay, so here's another one. Squeeze it and then you can start planting it. So he's planting some lettuce that we actually had left from the store. These are just kind of the ends of the lettuce. And we realized this is probably not the healthiest of the lettuce we have. We definitely have some really nice heirloom organic seeds that we're going to be planting. But right now with everything going on in the world, we just kind of want to plant whatever we can. Push that down a little bit. Here, and since your dirt stayed in here, let's dump it. Ooh, the texture.
This is up. It's raining. I like healthy food, and it's so good. Go back too.
All right, let's dig some holes.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave this little space here. Maybe, you know what? I bet we could fit one right in the middle of your brother's. Do you think we could put a hole here? You build a hole here, and I'll do one here. It's fun to do with your hand. Do it with your hand. It's like playing in a sandbox. No, it's got to be deeper to fit our lettuce. Remember, oh, don't wreck this lettuce. It is hard. Okay, so we're going to dig one here. I think we can do it even a little closer.
Me what you did, okay? He did some yucky with it.
Yeah, we would have just given this to the chickens, but not today.
Yeah.
We're going to plant that little yucky lettuce. And it's going to grow some delicious lettuce. Can you take it and put it in the ground? Right in your hole you made. Good. We're going to put some dirt around it.
Mom, we go do another one.
Yeah, we can do another one. We're going to do another one right here. Look at.
Oh, we got another one. No.
This is one.
Look at where are you doing? It's funny.
All right, put it in here. Okay. This lettuce was actually not planted yet. We had it in a bowl of water on the sink, just waiting until we had a chance to plant it, and we haven't. So you can see how much it's already coming up. Let's do one more back here.
Okay, we got another one.
Good job.
The yucky bite.
Put it back there. Good job. I'll put some dirt around it.
But enough fall.
Do you like lettuce?
We like lettuce and we could eat it.
Do you like salads?
Yeah. Sit up on the
Ketchup on your salad?
And different ketchup.
Different ketchup?
Uh-huh.
We ran out of ketchup, and to avoid the store, I tried to make it homemade. So it's, I guess, known as different ketchup.
I mean, way to eat pizza, again, and eat the salad, but we can't eat this.
Don't eat dirt.
But we can't eat salad.
You can eat salad. You can't eat the dirt.
Mm-mm.
All right, hopefully grow some lettuce. We had 7 of the Roma type lettuce just from the store that we planted
No
here.
and no dice. I did.
Which would have just been garbage. So hopefully we can get...
Diapers is sucky. You gotta eat it.
Hopefully we get a few more times some lettuce out of this.
Lettuce
All right.
is good for you. You can eat it. I planted celery and you eat it with sandwich. No, not sandwiches. You eat it with salad and other stuff. And this is planted from a piece from a store at the bottom of it. And then we got water and dirt, and then it started growing the tops. See, some of these, it starts showing that work. And this one haven't grown yet, but it's bunt these parts where it got cut. But then right here, it's so smooth. That's where it's gonna grow. These are the plants where they was.
You can add that extra little dirt in there right around the celery because it's got lots of good nutrients in it for it.
Not really wanting to come out.
Tap the bottom. There you go.
That was our first little experience planting in our new greenhouse that Matt made. I think it went all right. Again, we planted some silly things. We planted some lettuce that was straight from the store, some celery that was straight from the store, and these were just kind of those ends after we had already used the celery and lettuce. And again, probably not the best quality stuff that we're planting, but the reason we planted it was fed is better than not fed. Food is better than no food, and right now I think just getting some plants in the ground is more important than not. So the important thing to know when you're planting food like this is the harvest probably isn't going to be as good as if you planted something fresh from seed. And there are some important things to take into consideration. If you are planting things from the store, organic would be best, and things from your country of origin. So here in the US, we want things from the US. I have a feeling one of these lettuces, I'm not sure, I think it was this one, we actually had planted for maybe like 3 weeks, and all I see is like this tiny, oh, it looks like it actually broke off. There's really like hardly any growth on it, and so I have a feeling this one did not come from the US. So it'll be interesting to see if some of these come up. Some, again, this one was just in a little bowl of water, so it's cool to see it just starting to come up. Matt went ahead and put one of our tomatoes plants in here. We have so many, and he's just kind of trying to test out the greenhouse, see how strong it is, if this tomato plant will survive overnight. We did cover it. He did go ahead and start planting some carrot seeds. The kids were in here, so it's supper time, so we're going to go ahead and have supper, and we'll work some more in here tomorrow. thanks for joining us while we did some type of planting in our new greenhouse, and glad you got to see us again. Bye, guys.